Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Easter Deco mesh wreath with items from the dollar store. What you will need: I have a wreath ring, 14 inches. I have green Deco mesh. And then I have some Easter eggs. Dollar Tree has a wide variety of eggs, so go with whatever styles you prefer. Chenille stems, scissors, or a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do, I have cut my mesh into 8-inch long pieces. And I have cut my chenille stems in half. So I'm going to make a couple of bundles. And you have different options. You can roll your mesh, add a cute little curl, just like that. Or you can roll your mesh at a diagonal, just like that. The diagonal is larger and it'll give it a little more, fun, pointed parts, but the curls are so cute and precious, so it just depends on whichever way you prefer. But for this specific wreath, since I want this green to look like grass, I'm going to use the diagonal roll, and I'm going to have 3 pieces of mesh in each bundle. Sometimes I go with 4, you can go with more, it's completely up to you, but I'm going to just go with 3. So I'm rolling them all at diagonals, crisscrossing them one on top of the other, scrunch it in the center, take my half of a chenille stem, and twist, twist, twist. And you can use a chenille stem that matches your colors, but the white is pretty neutral, so it's not going to be a big deal. Alright, that's what one bundle looks like. I'm going to show you one more. Roll at a diagonal, crisscrossing the 3 pieces. Or 4 if you want to go with more. Scrunch in the center. Take your half of a chenille stem and twist it in place. Just like that. Then you can adjust and maneuver. Alright, so I'm going to make all of my bundles before I start placing them on my wreath. Alright, so I have gotten all of my bundles together. They look so cute and precious. Now I'm going to start placing them on my wreath. I like to get all of the bundles together first because I feel like it makes the wreath making process a lot faster. So you have the option of using the inner 2 or the outer 2 or the center 2. I prefer to use the center 2, but it's completely up to you. You can go inner, outer, and alternate, whichever way you prefer. So I'm just going to place my chenille stem around the center 2 rings. Again, you can go with the outer 2, the inner 2, and alternate. I'm just going to twist, 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 and then tuck it away. I'm going to go with 5 bundles in each of my 6 sections for a total of 30 bundles. If you want your wreath poofier, then add more bundles. If you don't want it as poofy, then add fewer bundles. So I'm just going to twist all of the bundles in place and show you what it's looking like. Alright, so this is what one section looks like. It's so cute and poofy already, and this is only 5 bundles. This is what the back looks like. Alright, let's go ahead and get the rest of our bundles placed. Alright, so I have gotten all of my mesh in place. It looks so cute and poofy. So I'm just adjusting, making sure it's nice and fluffy. And now I'm going to add my adorable eggs. And I like to kind of place everything first to make sure I like where it is before I start gluing them in place. That looks pretty good to me. It's so cute. It looks like Easter eggs hiding in the Easter grass. So I'm going to go ahead and use my hot glue gun to glue these eggs in place. And you are all done. So cute, simple, and easy to make. All items can be purchased at Dollar Tree, so you can make this entire wreath for less than $10.